We're gonna burp. Come on. I so. Let me finish my intro. So what's up, guys? Back another video here. Black oily monkey here. So basically, me and my brother is gonna burp. Again. So this is like part 7 or 8 or 9. So, okay, but let me finish my intro. Hold up. And now, yeah, I guess it's time for the video now. Okay, call, do it now.
Call approve. Commission. I feel with burp.
Okay, let's hear it out. No man. No, dog. Come on. No, I'm just gonna sit down real quick. Why are you acting like you're choking yourself? Like, chill, bro. Are you Mr. Bro? Are you chill? Okay.
This actual call.
Yeah.
Pretty, I mean, mischievous. Pretty, I mean, mischievous burp.
Okay, now the wrist one's starting to come.